Want this to be in the video?
We'll get it in the video, yeah.
Like just right here.
Okay. So this car, we've had it for, how long have we had this thing?
2 years, 3 years?
A long time. And it's been broken for how long?
I think 1 year.
So it's been a long time since we played with this. So while Mommy was getting her hair done, we decided, hey, there's no adult supervision, so let's play with the toy. So what's the problem with this car right now?
The wire got snapped.
Let's pop these things off.
Yep. The black wire.
So what we've got here is this wire that hooks to the battery compartment snapped off.
Yeah.
So we got to fix that.
That's the only problem that's not working.
Okay. So once we fix that, then apparently this thing can go and be super fun.
Yeah.
All right. So now we got to figure out.
Fast.
All right.
I think we'll need electric tape.
I don't know what we're gonna need. I'm gonna have to figure that out. Okay.
I can't connect it. It's just like that's the problem with this blue car.
So let's figure out how we're gonna fix this. So I think we'll take this, we'll strip this wire down, then we'll somehow connect it to this. Not sure how.
We might need very thin electric tape.
This is pretty tiny. Can we see GoPro? No. Okay.
Stripped it.
There's.
You didn't even put the
I know. I just want to see.
Wait, did it just turn on? Mm-hmm. We did it! We fixed it!
Haha! We did it! Hey. Oh, wait, don't touch it, don't touch it, I don't want it to break. It's so fragile.
Fragile? What does fragile mean? Fragile.
It's Italian for fragile.
Fragile?
All right, so now we've got this crazy weird connection here that we created out of just electric tape. Let's put the battery on the charger to let it charge a little longer, and then we can play with it to see if it works.
Okay, now let's just
Using everything you can find in this backyard, make the coolest track for the car you possibly think of. We want jumps, we want obstacles, everything you can figure out, all right?
Okay.
Hold on. So let's make sure it works first. Ready? Yeah. So I think I gotta turn this on. This. Oh.
Okay, it can work.
Which jump are you hitting first?
The green one. This green one over here. This is the first jump. Jump off this and then drive onto that jump.
All right. Whoa!
You just drive it right. Start with the jump. Go. You want to make sure it's straight. Okay, jump.
Okay, go backwards. Are you going full? Go full blast. That's all we got.
That's all we got. Just use it up.
It seemed like it was the battery, right? It just wasn't working.
Yeah, But then, like, so the first problem, if we want to go back in time,
Going back in time, okay.
The first problem was we thought the battery didn't really work and it seemed to last of its days.
Yes. After our little escapade building the entire ramp, apparently we need another one of these things because I think it's... So I think I should go real quick to go try to buy one. So that way it can charge while they're at jiu-jitsu if it's not charged.
That's fine.
All right, guys, I'm gonna say we need to charge the battery again.
Yep.
All right, guys, hey, look, we tried.
Wait.
No, the battery's fine. I went to the store and got... Literally, I was just at the store. So I went to the hobby shop here while they were out at jiu-jitsu to see if the battery was wrong and just get another battery so we could get back into action. However, the battery was fine. The guy there tested it. Then he said, okay, bring the car in. I didn't have the car with me, so I charged the battery, we tried it again, and then what happened?
You charged the battery again.
And then the wire snapped again. So what
Oh,
I
yeah.
tried to fix broke. So unfortunately, my super awesome fix here, it didn't hold. So now, that the boys are at jiu-jitsu, I'm gonna try to go to the hobby shop and get this fixed and have it ready by the time they get back so we can play with it. Because it kind of sucked that we try to do these awesome jumps and it totally failed. So to not let the little boys down, the quest must continue. All right, here we go. Let's hope we can get this thing fixed and get this car back in the dirt. So $5, they soldered it, fixed it. That was so much less than I thought I would spend. So look, woo, it's fixed, yes. Took him like 3 minutes, $5 later.
$5 later?
It cost me $5.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It works. And did we have fun playing with it?
Yes.
So it works, and it was lots of fun. All right, high five. Okay, go.
Thank you. Can I turn it on?
All right, Alex. Are you ready to go, buddy?
Let's hope it's not good.
Whoa! Ha ha! Try again, try again, try again, try again. What'd you think, buddy? Was that awesome?
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's make the jump even higher.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's a little higher.